Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I did this. This is a drawer, okay? I cut them all up. I put them all in here. I said your name because I did it. I looked up. Camera wasn't switched on. Sorry people, I'm having one of those days today. So this is a drawer for my tag. And I'm going to draw out the winner's name first, who is going to receive a journal from me. And then there'll be a second prize of a nice happy mail for the second prize winner, okay? So I've got everybody's name in here, okay? And I'll just draw out the first one. And the first one I draw out will be the winner. And her name is Lynn Sincock, and she is going to get my journal wherever this is, under here. Look at this. She'll be getting the journal that I made. She's number 13 now. That's lucky. Look at that, Lynn. You'll be getting the journal from me. And this next person is going to be, I'm not looking, I'm not putting my head around here. I promise I'm way over this way. And the second person who is getting a happy mail is Susan Turncott. Sorry. Oh dear, I made a pig's ear of this, didn't I? But anyway, girls, congratulations and thank you for your lovely entries. And these will be we'll just write this on there so I don't muck this up. So this is Lynn's, and she's going to have first prize, and that's the journal. And thank you everybody who participated in this. And this is a happy mail, which will be bits to do with it, whatever I can find to put in there that hopefully you'll like, okay? There you go. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.